recording it, which is good.
He is dead.
It certainly looks that way to me. It's very sad. It certainly looks
Consequences to his body based on those.
well, it'll have to be very severe. I mean, it's bad stuff. But we'll see what happens. Okay? Thank you.